Hi guys, कैसे हो आप सब? I hope you guys are doing fine. I'm back with another lip swatch video. After such a long time, I'm doing this video. These are my current obsessions right now. Most of them are nude lipsticks, which I'm like currently reaching out to more often. There are a lot of lipsticks that I'm still reaching out to, which I've shown you in previous videos. I've done a couple of previous lipstick swatch videos. You guys can check it out if you haven't already. But I'm not including those lipsticks in this just so that it does not get repetitive. Some of the lipsticks are super viral. Actually, almost all the lipsticks are super viral. Just so that you guys get a fair review, I've also swatched all my lipsticks in natural light and in bare skin as well. So एक वीडियो आप विद मेकअप देखने वाले हो और एक फुटेज जो है वो आप नेचुरल लाइट में और bare फेस में देखने वाले हो, जिसमें मैंने कुछ मेकअप नहीं कर रखा है. देर इज नो मस्कारा, नो आईज डन, नो बेस प्रोडक्ट, ओनली विद द सनस्क्रीन आई हैव शॉट. So I hope you guys like this video. Give a big fat thumbs up if you like this video, just for the effort that I've put on. Now, without further ado, let's go started. So guys, पांच ही लिपस्टिक है, so फटाफट से वीडियो शुरू करते हैं. The first lipstick that I'm gonna swatch is this one from Nykaa. This is so viral, and in fact, this is the only lipstick that is not nude straight up. This is the new Nykaa Super Light Cloud lipstick. This has been going viral so much. So this is in the shade Scarlet Sangria. I've also picked up the most famous and viral shade. This is the only shade which is slightly bolder on my skin tone. Bolder as in it's not straight up red, but it's sort of falls in the red nude category. If someone is deeper than my complexion, this color is going to be an absolute nude for them. I am in love with this shade, and जब से मैंने लिया इसको मैंने 3-4 बार wear कर भी लिया है. Since it's not nude, I'm not someone who reaches out to some other lipstick which is not nude on a daily basis. This has Cica extract, squalene, and vitamin E. The claims of these is velvety texture, non-drying matte finish, cruelty free, vegan and paraben free and mineral oil free as well. इसमें आपको 5 ml का quantity मिल जाता है. The MRP is 799. Nykaa Pink Summer Sale में I got this for less than 550 rupees. This is how the shade looks like. Scarlet Sangria. This shade is not straight up nude, you guys. This shade is not straight up red also. I am always attracted to shades which are red nude. बहुत मुश्किल है red nude बनाना. People say that this is not long lasting. It is long lasting, but this has a very cloudy, velvety finish. All that claims I agree. While applying, it feels very airy and very lightweight. But down the time, like about 2 hours or so, it does start to feel drying. It is nevertheless like a liquid lipstick only. So it does start to feel little drying, just like any other liquid lipstick. Like 2-3 घंटे में you feel dehydrated. Nothing that's gonna bother you much. Like, मैं तो usually liquid lipstick lip balm लगा के ही लगाती हूँ. So apply your lip balm, remove your lip balm, and wear this liquid lipstick. I'm sure you're good to go. I've also tried to reapply it. Reapply application में भी कुछ problem नहीं हुआ. I think it's kind of pricier, 799 for a liquid lipstick in this 2025. It's a little too much from the Nykaa brand, that too, but the quality is super good. When you pick this up at a discount, I think this is totally worth the hype. Couple of times I tried to apply it only in the center and kind of like smudged it out with my finger with the lip liner. It did look beautiful. और एक बार मैंने full blown इसको ही liquid lipstick जैसा wear करा था. दोनों ही time पे it looked nice. I am someone who kind of looks very weird whenever I wear bold lipstick. तो मैं photos में ना बहुत ऐसा पोस्ट करती हूँ क्योंकि आई एम नॉट वेरी कंफर्टेबल इन स्माइलिंग. लिपस्टिक के साथ फोटोग्राफ्स बहुत अच्छे आए. सो ओवरऑल इफ आई हैव टू रेट दिस लिक्विड लिपस्टिक, I'm gonna rate it 9 out of 10 because I liked it and I liked the shade as well. आपको वीडियो साइड बाय साइड मिल जाएगा with makeup and without makeup. Yeah. The next lipstick that I'm gonna talk about is from the House of Mars. Mars के मेरे पास दो lipstick है, but first I'll talk about a lipstick and then later I'll talk about the tint. This is from the Mars Mousse Matte Lipstick, and I am in the shade 11, and this is in the shade I think Showstopper. This has been crazy viral. ये बहुत महीनों से आउट ऑफ स्टॉक रहा, एंड वेरी रिसेंटली आई सॉ इट एंड इमीडिएटली प्लेस्ड इट. 2 हफ्ता या 2.5 हफ्ता हुआ रहेगा मुझे इसको खरीद के. आई एम ऑलवेज एक्साइटेड फॉर न्यू लिपस्टिक बिकॉज दिस फॉर्मूला वाज समथिंग आई कुडंट रेजिस्ट. दिस इज अ गॉर्जियस ब्राउन न्यूड शेड. आई मीन इट्स अ स्ट्रेट अप ब्राउन. It has like kind of neutral undertone, I would say, not straight up cool. Yeah, this is the shade. I hope you guys can see. This is a straight up brown shade with sort of neutral undertone. Looks gorgeous on my skin tone, you guys. Looks gorgeous. I'm just gonna like tell you guys straight up that is it worth the hype? I think it is. I love the formula. But is this something new that none of the brands have done? I don't think so. Do you guys remember Insight No Smudge liquid lipstick जो मैं हमेशा wear करती हूँ, जो मैं हमेशा travel videos में दिखाती हूँ? You guys definitely know the shade Jamaica. It's my absolute favorite. Trust me, they both are very similar in formulation. I think that came first, then I probably Mars tried to do the same. I don't know, I could be wrong, but the formula when you apply it, it exactly feels like this. Like when I applied it, the instant feeling that I got was, oh, this so very resembles like Insight No Smudge lipstick. But the difference between those two is that is very long lasting. I'm not going to deny that's my favorite liquid lipstick formula. Survives light meals and coffee and all. And it's very nice to touch up as well. It does not feel sticky, does not feel drying, etc. etc. जब मैं इसकी बात करती हूँ तो ये ट्रांसफर होता है, दैट डज नॉट ट्रांसफर. द डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू, द फॉर्मूला फील्स एग्जैक्टली सेम व्हेन यू अप्लाई इट. वो भी ड्राइंग नहीं फील करता है, ये भी ड्राइंग नहीं फील होता है, दोनों दोनों भी मूव्स की तरह अप्लाई होता है. बट दिस वन इज नॉट लॉन्ग लास्टिंग एंड दिस वन कीप्स ट्रांसफरिंग. So even when it transfers, it's not going to transfer the entire pigment. Like the pigment still remains, and for a lipstick which is not transfer proof to last that long is commendable. So overall, this product absolutely gets so overall, this product gets a thumbs up from me. If I have to rate it, I'm gonna rate it like good 9/10 again. बहुत सारे swatches में this kind of had a red undertone, but my lips में, my skin tone, my color theory में, it is not looking red. It's looking straight up brown. That too with neutral undertone leaning towards cool, but I really like it. This lasts good 4 to 5 hours if I didn't eat anything. Keeps transferring a little bit, but the pigment still remains. The best part is it absolutely feels nourishing on the skin. That even if I keep smacking my lips, and every time I smack my lips, the pigment did not fade. Usually कैसा होता है लिपस्टिक में, when you smack ये निकल जाता है ऊपर से, but this absolutely did not fade. So this lipstick gets a thumbs up. Moving on to the next lipstick I'm going to talk about is from Matte Look. Mask का एक और lip tint है which is also super viral. That I'm going to talk about in the end because वो tint है तो tint छूट जाएगा lips में and I won't be able to show the other swatches. So the next lipstick that I'm going to talk about is from Matte Look, and this is the Stay Extend Lip Mousse Matte Look. So this is how the packaging looks like. This was also going viral. Like I saw many influencers were like talking about this lipstick. So I had to pick one. And मुझे ये shade in particularly बहुत attracting लगा. Is in the shade Worthy Mauve. The claims are whipped creamy mousse lip color that delivers rich color payoff. It's enriched with vitamin E, has a non-sticky, non-drying formula, smudge proof, transfer proof, velvety smooth texture. Claims इनके बहुत है. The MRP of this product is 199. I picked up at 140 rupees or so. It's a slightly mauve pink nude, leaning towards slightly cool undertone, I must say. There is a lot of difference between this and the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Resistant Liquid Lipstick Worth It Medium. That kind of has a purple undertone on when it's swatched on my skin tone, but this one doesn't look that purpley. So I really like this kind of mauve lipsticks. In general, I'm not a fan of mauve lipstick, but I've been reaching out to this. Products I regret buying में मैंने यही lipstick लगाया था and paired with some lip liner. Only thing that I want to say is they have marketed this as mousse lipstick, velvety mousse. This does not feel like a mousse. This is a straight up liquid lipstick. It's not a mousse lipstick. It's a straight up liquid lipstick which does not transfer or smudge at all. So just keep that in mind when you are like buying it, because I think the claims are wrong. This is not a velvety mousse. This is a liquid lipstick. But having said that, it's a very comfortable formula. Lasts so good, like 6+ hours, and it is a liquid lipstick, so you definitely gonna feel a little drying down the lane. Like 2-3 hours के बाद definitely आपको drying लगने वाला है. And of course, if you heat meals and everything, it's gonna fade from the center of your lips, just like your normal liquid lipstick. I'm just mad because this is not a mousse lipstick. The way their brand has marketed is something I didn't like it. But barring that, did I like the formula? It's like a liquid lipstick. Sometimes you just want a transfer proof lipstick, and this shade doesn't look that good on my bare face, but I do carry this almost like every single day to my work. paired with a lip liner. तो मुझे तो अच्छा लगता है, but you guys can come out and tell me that ये this shade is washing me out. तो मैं पहले ही बता रही हूँ, on bare skin with this ring light it might look like it's washing me out, but full face of makeup के साथ it looks so beautiful. Without makeup also lip liner के साथ बहुत अच्छा लगता है. I've been reaching out to this lipstick more and more often. So overall, if I have to rate this, I would rate 7.5 out of 10, just because it's not a revolutionary discovery. So that's my third pick. Then the fourth lipstick that I was going to talk about is this one from Hilary Rhoda. I got this lipstick in Pia. This is in the shade Coffee Date. I got two lipsticks. वो lipstick थोड़ा मुझे wash out कर रहा है, so I have kept that lipstick for my friend because she is fairer to me. This is the Matte About You lipstick in the shade Coffee Day, and I really used it, you guys. मैंने इसको काफी use किया है. Let me show you the full bullet. So yeah, this much, because I love the shade, love the formula. It's very inexpensive. Again, this is not a revolutionary product. It's been in the market. Kafi lipsticks हमने ऐसा use किया. So you don't have to go ahead and buy the lipstick, but for the price that you pay, I think this is under 200, 175 rupees or so. Okay, this is the worst way of showing. Wait, I'll show you somewhere else. So yeah, this is the shade. This is a very gorgeous brown shade, you guys. If you are in a lookout for a brown nude, especially dusky complexion, this looks so good without a lip liner on my skin tone, like a true brown shade. This becomes transfer proof. It does take a little time. It applies so creamy. It applies just like a creamy lipstick, but give it some time, 5 minutes or so, it becomes completely transfer proof. It lasts good also for a creamy bullet transfer proof lipstick, and you can go ahead and reapply it anytime you want. If you guys want for a shade, you guys can totally check it out. I love this shade. This looks good on bare skin without makeup and with makeup as well. Then moving on to my last lip tint, if I may say, this one from Love Track collection. This was also viral so much, and this has been out of stock since ages. Again, इसके लिए मैं इतना ज़्यादा Amazon में देखती थी, and this is the only shade that I wanted, you guys. So this is the Velvet Lip Tint. Love the packaging, love the shade, love the formula, love the longevity. Everything is top notch. Didn't have a pink tint, you guys, so I'm like so happy that I picked up a pink shade. This is how the shade looks like. I have to compare this with the lip drip mist that they launched. I think both of them are good. That kind of gives a very glossy finish than this one. So the drip mist from Mars Cosmetics has a shiny, glossier look, and I think the pigment is too much than this one. I have the shade Cocoa Drip, if I'm not wrong. मुझे वो shade इतना अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है. The pigment is so good in that even deeper complexion is gonna love it. But for me, that shade was too dark. This one is so gorgeous. This has that exact pigment, the exact color that I want. This actually looks like a Korean tint. I have used this without lip liner, with lip liner. सब तरीके से मुझे बहुत सूट किया. Yeah, इसका pigment रह गया है. See, the pigment is intact. It's not gonna transfer, not gonna budge, and this is long lasting. So you can also apply lip gloss over this lip tint. It just looks so beautiful. So overall, is this worth the hype? Hell yes, 100%. And I would give a solid 10 on 10 for this. So I love it so much. That's all for this video, guys. This is all the lipstick that I'm currently obsessed with. इसके अलावा भी 3-4 lipstick है which I'm still using from the time I've shared with you guys. So it's not that I have stopped using them, but just I didn't want it to be repetitive, so I did not include in this particular video. I hope I could do justice for you guys so that you guys have a better fair understanding of how the shade look on me. I'm NC 43.5. I shall see you in the next video super soon. Bye.